I'm Gaurav Chatterjee. I'm heading the Department of Food Technology, Haldia Institute of Technology for the last 9 years. And it's been a decade I've been serving Haldia Institute of Technology. Previously, I've started my career with PepsiCo, India Holding Private Limited. And then eventually I worked with United Spirits and a couple of team manufacturing companies, including Taifu. And then I came to academics. I've done my education from Jadavpur University, done my master's, MTech from Jadavpur University in food technology and biochemical engineering, and recently submitted my PhD in chemical technology in Rajabhaja Science College under University of Calcutta. India is basically the for food hub in the rest of the world. Our Prime Minister has taken a lot of initiative in food processing, and this is one of the sector called sunrise sector. Presently, where I'm sitting and speaking is the hub of the edible oil sector. In the 10 minutes of the premises where I'm sitting, Haldia Institute of Technology, most of the edible oil industries are serving, including Adani Wilmar, Patanjali Foods, Gokul Agro Resources, Imami Agrotech, Haldar Ventures. So, food processing sector contributes more than 15% of the GDP in our country, and it is one of the sunrise sector, which is one of the focused sector in different sectors as given by Government of India. Now, coming to food technology education, HIT Food Technology started in 2006, and we have successfully completed 16, exit of students, 16 batch exit of students, with more than 1,000 food technologists being, they're serving across the country and around the globe. Talking about food technology from the grassroots level, there are very interesting subjects like food chemistry, food microbiology, food preservation. So students who are interested in chemistry, who are interested in biology, they have a lot of scope in food technology. Also students who are very strong in mathematics. So this is a very interesting thing I would mention here, that food technology is a concoction of different, fundamental subjects like mathematics, biology, physics, chemistry. So student will get a very holistic, educational approach. At the same time, if you talk about the syllabus of food technology, the way we have prepared the syllabus, consulting with multiple industry leaders and academic professionals, talking about our board of studies, which includes, professors from IITs, NITs, and Jadavpur University, and at the same time, best of the industry leaders from Adani, Imami, Agrotechs, and we tried to modulate the syllabus so that students are, future ready. At the same time, they understand the real-time problem solving in industry, and they are ready with the challenges and the skill set that is needed for their capacity building. We are talking about post-COVID. So post-COVID, if you see the kind of changes and shift in the industries, I'm so happy to share that our students, they have done so good in terms of placement, and over the last few years, our stream had given 100% placement, with students who are placed in Mondelez, to ITC, to Unilever, to Tata, to any of the brands you tell. Most importantly, our department has a stretch of industrial network with more than 500 food industries we connect. And you would be wondered to hear that more than 16,000 food industries are existing, including startups in our country. And we from our department, we have regularly taken part in events like World Food India, which are flagship events in our country. Then you talk about Indus Foods, you talk about Ahar, all those events we have been taking part, and I'm so happy to share you that we hold a chapter of Association of Food Scientists and Technologists since 2018, and I'm serving as the president of AFSTI Haldia chapter, which is the only functional chapter of West Bengal, and it is directly connected to CFTRI Mysore. The headquarter of AFSTI is CFTRI, Central Food Technological Research Institute, and through this AFSTI network, we are so close with so many industries across West Bengal and East India and across the country, and our students are so adaptive, taking their job roles in different part of the country, be it regulatory, be it process, be it quality, be it R&D, be it supply chain. Different work profiles are exposed to them, and I'm so happy that our students, not only male students but also female students, they are doing fantastic in the industry. regulatory as well as in government. I hold more than 16 years of experience, which includes industry as well as academia. And as I understand the expectations from industry and the way our students are prepared in our department, I'm so happy to share that we are connected with so many industries and different areas, including tea processing sectors, bakery and confection, edible oil industries, alcoholic beverages, non-alcoholic beverages. Best of the recruiters, they take our students. So job has never been a problem. MNC job has never been an issue for our students. At the same time, I'll also focus here that there are a lot of government opportunities which our students can explore. And many of our students, they are already serving regulatory and government organizations. To talk about few of the examples, uh, Payal Maji, one of our students, she served as Assistant Director Technical in FSSAI. Ankita Niyogi, one of our pass out students from 2018, she's serving as the Deputy Director of BIS, Bureau of Indian Standard. Also, so many of my students and alumnus, they're serving government, including FSSAI, Food Safety and Standard Authority of India, T boards. Students are serving in organizations like BARC, Bhabha Atomic Research Institute. They have a dedicated food technology divisions, DFRL, Defense Food Research Laboratory. Then there are so many other jobs like West Bengal Municipal Service. Under that, they have a dedicated food inspector job. Then food safety officer is a very common job which everybody aspire, and many of my students actually they are food safety officer presently in the state of West Bengal and other states. So there are a lot of government opportunities which students can explore, but at the same time they have also other options with corporate MNC jobs. They have options with R&D. They have options with quality, process, supply chains. So there are a lot of areas where students can get engaged, and a lot of techno-commercial opportunities are also coming in different food industries. In food processing sector, it's Industry 4.0, which is actually going on. And if you see industry in a very macroscopic view, you'll find that everywhere it is automation in the industry, especially in the process lines. There are all automated things which have come up. It is integration of not only automation but also robotics into it. Imami Agrotech, I can tell you, if you visit, you will find that they have installed robotic arms in order to pick samples, in order to pick the products in the line. And if you also see different food industries, you will find for for the detection of contaminants, for the detection of hazards. There are a lot of instrumentations, automation based instrumentation which have been installed in the factory. So it is important to have a very holistic education in the undergrad level. It is not only the fundamental chemistry, food chemistry, biochemistry, but at the same time students, they have to understand the mechanical operations, they have to understand the instrumentation. Talking about AI, AI is it's not a buzzword now. It is in everyday's life. We talk about AI from the morning to when we go off to sleep. So AI is there in the culture now. So we have understood the importance of AI, and we have recently incorporated a couple of open elective courses which emphasizes the application of AI, and there are a few of the subjects we have incorporated and amended in the Board of Studies and Academic Council, which includes AI application in food processing. Then there are subjects like machine learning and simulations in food processing. So there are a lot of simulation work which goes on. Talking about industry, now in industry, if you need to solve a problem, you need to understand the data first. So there are a lot of set of data, and industries they find it really challenging, especially process engineers. So we are working in this space where we try to help industry to better simulate data. A couple of projects we are running right now, which includes also students, and we are using a couple of softwares which really help us to to find the meaningful data and take off the garbage data and simulate better, so that the the yield of production goes high, basically. So this is one area, and AI is integrated in the syllabus. Talking about IoT, so there are a lot of integration of IoT coming up, especially talking about because food technology emphasizes on the post-harvest part. Pre-harvest is the agriculture. So in the post-harvest, when you talk about monitoring lot of parameters, be it pH, be it temperature control, be it dissolved oxygen concentration, lot of changes of parameters. So IoT is one of the important tool which industry do use, and IoT is there as one of the module in the subject we have incorporated in AI in food processing at large. Otherwise, we are also trying to do some faculty development program. We have already done a couple of training, which includes the interdisciplinary approach of AI and IoT in food processing. Food technology in value-added courses, we have added a couple of courses which includes the nutrition science also, because this is an integral part of food technology, which includes preventive health management and also understanding the wellness at large. So there are a lot of success stories of students who passed out from the department. I can talk about one example of one of the student, Sham Sundar Singh, who passed out in 2018. Was confused in 2014 when he took admissions, and he was basically from a very humble family, but the way, and when he joined HIT, he was not that confident guy. He was not good in communications. He was from a very normal Bengali medium student. I can tell you now he's serving one of the largest organization in the world, Mondelez, and he is successfully running one territory in the techno-commercial positions with a very high package. And this is not only a story of Sham, but a story of many. Story of Bornali, story of Obijoy, story of Ankita, story of many. So it's countless numbers, but I have seen student transforming from this department, not only with the education, the knowledge they get throughout the 4 year, but also the leadership they adopt, the skill they set, and the capacity they build.